In this video, we are going to cover the Fixture Group Override capabilities offered on the Force 1.0. On the Run Mode screen here, you'll notice there's a soft button located in the top left corner of the screen called Fixture Group Overrides. To access this feature, you simply press and hold down that soft button. Fixture Group Overrides are broken up into the separate 6 fixture groups that you set up and assign to your fixtures using the Force 1.0 application. There are 2 pages of Fixture Group Overrides. The page we are currently on offers on, off, and wash mode control override capabilities. You can apply these overrides to each of the separate 6 fixture groups, either all of them, one of them, or a combination of them. You can turn on or off any of the 6 fixture groups simply by the press of a button. Once off, the button will no longer illuminate that yellow color. It'll be white, indicating that it is off, also displayed via text on the button itself. You also have the capability of turning wash mode on or off into the individual fixture groups. Once wash mode is turned on, that particular fixture group will behave, as you probably guessed, more like a wash set of fixtures than a dynamic set of fixtures. If you're operating in one of the primary performance modes of the Force 1.0, such as max mode, normal mode, or mood mode, the fixture groups that have wash mode enabled will simply morph between the different colors being generated by the internal effects engine instead of being dynamically controlled like all other fixtures that are operating in one of the performance modes. Now there's a separate screen dedicated to another set of fixture group overrides, which you can access using this scroll button on the bottom right corner of the screen. On this screen, once again, the fixture group overrides are broken up into separate 6 fixture groups, just as they were before. But in this case, you have the ability to assign any of the 6 fixture groups to one of the attribute banks you defined via the Attribute Banks and Scenes Builder soft button off of the main menu. Once you select the particular attribute bank you want to assign a fixture group to, you simply hit the Update button on the bottom. This allows you to make numerous selections prior to activating all of them simultaneously. Now there's a sync button located in the top right portion of the screen. If I enable that, any change I make to one fixture group will automatically get applied to all 6, and you can turn this on and off at will if you want to adjust just one or multiple separately. And once again, if you assign a fixture group override via the attribute bank selections here, the fixture groups in question will no longer be dynamically controlled by the effects engine. They will simply be static based on whatever configuration settings you have set up with the particular attribute bank assignment. And just getting back to the main menu, you simply just hit the return button and you're back to accessing the run mode screen.